shout out sa Sticker Factory. Ayan, thank you so much. Na-receive ko na po ang aking delivery. Ayan po. Satisfied customer po here. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, Meticuloso.